Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Him and Them Cars. We are at the Philadelphia Auto Show custom area. This is my favorite part of the show. I just wanted to come and see what they had going on this year. So this is Meeks Mill's 2024 Maybach. That's 680. In these nice colors right here. This is the Philly Squad. This is Gilly's the Kid Corvette right here. Check it out. This is Wallow Lamborghini. It's on display here. Nice red Philly Squad. Shout out to Philadelphia. We're gonna look over here. Got some other pieces. Got a 22 Corvette custom right here. Look at this. Oh, look at that right there. Oh, it's nice. Nice interior. Sharp. And this is like a wrap to Fast Kid Club. Look at that. Look like graffiti or something, but I don't know if it's a wrap or what. A Nissan GTR. Now here's what's on my list, everybody. I need me a 911 in my life so bad. There you go. What's this right here? I'm trying to see what it is. I don't care. It's nice. Another. They get some bikes and scooters. Ain't my cup of tea, but gotta do something for the people. Oh, look at this Chrysler 300 Imperial, I think. Let me see what it is. I'm just assuming stuff. Yep. Chrysler Newport Triple Crown. Look at that thing. Oh, beautiful. Crispy clean. Crispy clean. Yo. Alright. I8. I don't know what happened with the i8s, but the one right here. They was supposed to be the thing for BMW. They was nice, but they ain't take off like they. Corvette, Beamer. It goes super cool. Some nice foreigns over here, like that color, like that wrap. A Supra, Beamer. Some other stuff over here. Fire. Accurate and RS. What's up, man? How you be? Yeah, man. Do another one right here. Another GTR. Clean. It's on fire. There go a Lambo right there.
That's the elephant. That's the elephant in the room. That's the elephant.
Get this Corvette open. Sick on the inside. And this is my baby. I got one, but it's not like this. I got a 2016. But shit, G-Wagon is a G-Wagon. Love this color. Robinson. Look at this guy on the scene. Ant Man.
I'm waiting for my rich customer to come through.
This you right here, Ant. This is Anthony stuff right here. What's up? See, I get a little bit of VIP.
It's not always.
What's up? Ant been here for years. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. This is the owner truck right here. Look at that thing. Sharp. Ooh.
Yeah, I just got the wrap done with this satin chrome orange.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man.
That's
This
just.
I saw it in Vegas, man, but I made the wide body.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I did the new bigger rock lights, the new interior lighting.
Okay.
I'm doing a pro charger next week when this gets out of here.
Let me get it right here. Y'all want to check it out? High-end Philly owned. They've been here for years. Who Lambo is this right here? Okay. What's up, family? How you been, man? How you doing? Woo, who's this belong to?
Millard is a customer. He's a lawyer. Did the Android radio, the exterior lights on the dash, Lambo doors, the custom pearl wrap.
Look at that detail.
All the gloss.
All done in where? Philly.
And you know the 65 pressure Newport?
Hold on, this ain't the one that they had. This ain't.
Not Anthony.
Oh, okay. That's.
And I thought blacked out.
We get a closer look. We got another. This is crazy.
Full sniper package.
What's the sniper package?
Basically, it's like a crate loader that comes with everything pre-built.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna cut loose for a second. We're gonna come back.